Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode the corporate world. Today we're diving into a recent filing from Soluna Holdings, and let me tell you, it's a bit like trying to mine Bitcoin with a calculator. You might find some interesting nuggets, but it's going to take a while. Scrolling to casted scroll quit, we're looking at their 8K report from April of 2025. This is basically a snapshot of important events that the company wants to share with investors. Scroll form Safine 8 scroll. So the main reason for this report seems to be to share some corporate and operational information, plus an update on some frequently asked questions about a previous issue they had with HPE. We'll get into the details later. Scroll and queues of report date of earliest event reported. April 10, 25 scrolls. The date of this report is April 10, 25, so it's relatively recent. That means the information should be fairly up to date. Scroll Securities registered pursuant to Section 12 of the Act. Scroll Tipper Soluna Holdings has two types of securities registered, common stock and preferred stock. The common stock trades under the symbol SLNH and the preferred stock under SLNHP, both on the NASDAQ. It's good to know what symbols to use if you are interested in investing. Scroll item dots 7.01 regulation F disclosure. Scroll. Now let's dive into the meat of the report. It mainly contains a press release and some updated FAQs about that HPE situation. Apparently they're trying to keep investors informed about what's going on. Scroll containing certain previously unreported corporate and operational information on Capskid of the company issued a press release containing some previously unreported corporate and operational information, which they also post on their website. It's like they're trying to be more transparent. Scroll, the company KEFs, also updated its frequently asked questions for the HPE termination event scroll. They also updated their frequently asked questions or FAQs about the HPE termination event, which they posted on their website. We don't have all the background information, but it sounds like there was some sort of issue with HPE, a company. Now, before we offer our insights, remember the legal disclaimer. The information we're about to discuss isn't officially filed in the strictest sense, so take it with a grain of salt. Now, looking at Soluna Holdings, they seem to be focusing on transparency by releasing more information and addressing investor concerns. This is a good sign, but the mention of the HPE termination event is also a potential red flag. We need to investigate that more. Overall, this report gives us a glimpse into Soluna's efforts to keep investors informed, but also hints at some challenges they're facing. We will try to keep an eye on their progress off ad, so thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please subscribe, like and comment.